Here's how to fix your iPhone alarm sound if it's too low. Now, on your iPhone, the first thing we can do is head into the alarm. Now, let's say this one, my 5:30 a.m. alarm, is too quiet. The first thing I'm going to check to see if there's a ringtone set for that alarm. So you can see sound here. I'm going to tap on it. And one option, of course, if it is set to none, then you won't be able to hear it. So make sure it is set to a ringtone and something that you'll be able to hear. So just go through and choose something that you like. After you've done that, let's get out of here and hit the check mark. We're going to hop into your settings next to make sure that this sound is turned up in your settings. So open up the settings and let's scroll down, and we're going to choose sounds and haptics here. Now there are two volume sliders on your phone. One is for the volume for songs or videos, and the other one is ringtones and alerts. So we're going to turn this slider all the way up as loud as it can go. You can see here, if I turn on change with buttons, I can just use these physical buttons to change this volume as well. After I've done that, let's scroll down here and make sure the built-in speaker volume limit isn't limiting the volume of that alarm. So you can see max limit 40%. All I need to do is toggle this off. Now it still could potentially be quieter than you want. Let's check the last thing by going back to the very beginning of your settings. After you're at the very beginning, let's just scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode here. Let me just enter in my passcode. And after I've done that, you'll be able to see as I scroll down is require attention for Face ID. And then if you see attention aware features, it says lowering the volume on some alerts is enabled when you turn on attention aware features. So you could turn this off as well as this, and by turning both of these off, essentially your volume on your alarm will be loud no matter what.